Hey everyone, welcome to AI Walkthrough. This is the very first video on the channel, so thank you for being here right at the start. It genuinely means a lot. Okay, let's get straight into it. Stop typing humanize this. It almost never works, and I'm going to show you the fix. See, most people try to clean up AI writing after Claude is already done. They paste the text type, humanize this, and just hope. But the real fix happens before Claude writes a single word. So in this video, I'll walk you through the whole setup step by step, and by the end, you'll never type humanize this into Claude again. Here's the problem. When you type humanize this, Claude has no idea what human actually means to you. It has no reference. So it just takes the same text and softens a few words. The structure stays the same, and the AI smell stays the same. What we need instead is a filter, something that shows Claude exactly what AI writing looks like before it starts, so it knows what to avoid. And AI writing gives itself away in 3 ways. First, common AI words, the buzzwords it reaches for again and again. Second, overused phrases, the stock lines that show up in every post. And third, robotic sentence structures, that tidy, balanced, predictable rhythm. Our filter is going to catch all 3, and we'll build it into one file. Step 1 is research, and this is the foundation of the whole thing. Open ChatGPT and start a deep research. Now, if you don't have the deep research button, no problem, a normal ChatGPT prompt works too. It's just a little less thorough. Either way, use this exact prompt. Go ahead and pause the video here so you can copy it down, paste it in, and hit send. Now let it run. ChatGPT goes out, reads across a bunch of sources, and pulls everything together. Give it a minute or two. When it's done, you've got a serious inventory. The exact AI words, the overused verbs, the phrases, and the sentence patterns all in one place. Now, in the same chat, ask it to organize all of that into clean sections. Common AI words, AI sentence patterns, email habits, YouTube script habits, Greek introductions and conclusions, and human alternatives. Watch it rebuild the whole thing into a structured guide you can actually use. One more follow-up. Ask it to search online for articles on what makes AI writing feel fake and fold anything useful back into the list. That way your filter isn't built on a single source. Step 2. Copy that finished list. Open a Google Doc and paste it straight in. Then go up to File, then download and save it as a markdown file. Call it anti-AI writing. That file is your reference. Step 3 is the prompt you'll use to test it. Here it is. Pause and copy this one too. Let's test it first. Attach your file and ask Claude to write a short LinkedIn post about saving time following the rules in the file. Compare it to the plain version. The plain one screams AI. This one is sharper and it sounds like a real person, so the filter works. But uploading that file every single time gets old fast. So let's make it permanent as a skill. Go to Customize, then Skills, hit the plus, and choose Create Skill. Now here's the key part. Instead of writing all those rules out again, just upload a skill and drop in the same anti-AI writing file you already saved. Claude turns your file into a skill that you own. From now on, in any new chat, you just type / and pick anti-AI writing. The filter loads automatically. No uploading, no reminding it what to avoid. Every chat, every time it writes the way you want. This is why it works when Humanize. This never did. Before Claude was guessing. Now it has a reference, a file full of patterns to avoid that it checks against before it writes a single word. It stops guessing and it starts filtering. And the best part, it works everywhere you write. LinkedIn posts, emails, YouTube scripts, blog posts. That cold, stiff corporate tone just disappears. And what's left actually sounds like you. That's it. Build the file once, save it as a skill, and you reuse it forever. And every prompt I used in this video is in the description below, so you can copy them and follow along step by step. So if this helped you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. It really does help the channel grow, and I'll catch you in the next one.